Hey, let's check out how to change the cabin air filter on a 2022 Mazda CX5. First step, drop the glove box. Simple. Clean everything from that. And the next step is to take this shock out. In order to do that, just pull it towards the right. And then the third step, squeeze, as you can see here. Squeeze this corner, see that comes off, do the same on both sides, and the whole thing will drop. Now you can clearly see where the air filter is, and you see the arrow, airflow from top to bottom. Make sure your filter has that arrow pointing top to bottom as well. So there you have it. Put a new filter on. This is a new car, so don't have to change the filter, but that is how you would put the new filter in and then put everything back together, just like that. See here, squeeze it back in, and you get it there, and then you put the shocks back on, pull it, click, and that's it, all done. Cabin air filter change. Right, I will see you in the next video.